Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two leading dropshipping platforms, dropship.io and Tradelle. All the insights you'll hear are based on research from their official websites and third-party reviews, so always do your own due diligence. According to Dropship.io's official website, Dropship.io is designed for entrepreneurs looking for advanced tools and in depth market analysis. It offers a wide array of features such as a powerful product database with advanced filters to find winning products, sales tracker to monitor how products are performing, competitor research to uncover what other stores are doing, a Chrome extension for fast product imports, calculators like ROAS, CPA, profit margin, and BEROAS or BEROAS, Shopify and API integration for smooth workflows. Pricing ranges from $29 to $79 per month, with a 7-day free trial included. Now, according to Tradel's official website, Tradelle caters more to beginners, offering a user friendly and straightforward experience. Key features include automated order fulfillment to save time on processing, daily lists of trending products, profitability metrics to help sellers make informed decisions, and direct Shopify integration for a quick store setup. Tradle is available for $39.99 per month and also offers a 7-day free trial. According to Mulima Mubita's comparison on malmob.com, here's how the two platforms stack up. Best for Tradle is great for aspiring entrepreneurs who want simplicity, while Dropship.io is better for more serious sellers who want to dig into data. For product quality, both platforms offers high-quality product options. For ease of use, each platform has an excellent beginner-friendly interface. For the advanced features, Dropship.io stands out with tools like competitor research, portfolio management, and various calculators. For the integrations, both support Shopify, but Dropship.io also offers Chrome and API integrations. For customer support, both platforms reportedly have slow response times. For pricing, Tradle is flat rate at $39.99 per month, while Dropship.io gives you more flexibility from $29 to $79 per month. If you're just getting started and want something simple and intuitive, Tradle could be the better fit. But if you want a more powerful analytics-driven platform with deeper insights and features, then Dropship.io is the way to go. Disclaimer, this review is based on research from official sources and published reviews as of 2025. Platform features and pricing may change, so always verify before subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.